Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking iOS and backing up so nothing is lost. This matters if you revert. Next, open Shortcuts and tap the plus to create a new automation. That's your replacement wrapper. Once done, choose the app you'll replace, then tap the three dots and add to home screen. This is where you swap the displayed icon. Make sure the image is in Photos and correctly cropped for a sharp result. You now create the actual shortcut. Add the Open App action and choose which app will launch. Then tap the Shortcuts options and choose Add to Home Screen. This is where you attach your custom image so the icon looks native. Once done, tap the placeholder icon, pick Photo, and select the prepared image from your library. Make sure to name the shortcut precisely. That label shows below the icon, and arrange it into folders or rows as you planned for visual consistency. Finish by organizing the new icons and removing or hiding the original app icons. Move originals to the app library so you keep functionality but not duplicate visuals. Once done, check tap behavior. Shortcuts briefly open shortcuts before the app. That's normal because it's a wrapper, but removing animations in settings can speed perceived launch. If an icon looks clipped or blurry, replace it with a correctly sized PNG or resave at higher resolution. If broken, delete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.